Alright guys, we're on the other side of the case now. I got all these ones driven off with the impact driver, but this is what I'm dealing with here. So somebody had really hit the bottom end. I seen all this earlier. I knew it was there. Kind of ignored it, right? Hoping for the best. And there's what I was talking about with that oil drain. Eh? She's pretty chowdered. Now, like this is pretty chowdered. So I gotta dig out. Well, where am I? I gotta dig out this head before I could even try to take it out. Okay, we're gonna set you up there, and we're gonna start with this teardown. Part 4, I'm guessing. Let's see what we can do. I got all the bolts loosened up with the impact driver. I don't even know how well we can see here, boys. Can you even see? Anyway. I'm gonna start pulling that shit out. Like everything on these engines fights. Seized up tight. And there's all the small stuff like the clutch lever, clutch cable holder. Okay, I'm going to pull the rest of these out. I just wanted to mention something about these fucking Yamahas. Wow. They got some really fucking good engineering, but then they're really dumb fucking engineering. You got a fucking 12 mil head, 14 mil fucking nut, and a bolt that's like fucking 15 miles too long. I just don't understand it. It's just a little bracket that goes onto the back of the fucking frame to help mount up. I don't know. There's a few odds and ends like that on here. It's just, I don't know. To me, it's wacky. Okay, just wanted to show you that. Alright, I'm going to attempt to split this bastard. All the hardware should be loosened enough that it'll crack. Get my mallet. Let's see. Oh, there she comes. Okay, I might need to slide a something in there just to get rid of that, right? Very gingerly, I'm gonna see what else is holding this up. Oh, great. Where did that come from? Well, there she comes, I think, boys. There's a good chip falling. Okay. Learning. There she is. Missing spring. Yeah, there's quite a bit of sludge on the bottom. Yeesh. Let's hope the other engine's not this bad, right? See if we can't find where all those other parts came from. That's that shift gear. It's pretty cool, actually. Which one did this come off? This one. See, I wonder why those shift forks just fall out of there. Wow, they were different, eh? Look how dirty that was. Yikes. Huh. Fuck, boys, I might need to regroup here for a minute. Getting a little over my head. Well, we know they all came out of here, so. Okay, let me regroup for a minute. Alright, well, we're down to nothing. Looking another crack here. Seems like, or just a scar. I don't know. A lot of debris in there. Very dirty oil. Like, this bike had a hard life, the end of her. But yeah, now we're, oh, that's what that is. That's a dowel pin. It probably goes in here. Or there, whatever. There's probably another two on the other side. So I'm basically done the tear down. I'm going to start the inspection, but I gotta clean my bench all off. It actually wasn't too bad. The gears are a little scary to me, but yeah. At least we'll have this as a guinea pig, right? Okay. If I decide to do a little bit more on this today, I'll bring you back in and let you take a look-see. Okay, you guys are going to be looking inside the new to me engine for the first time with me. Let's just take a look at the old oil filter. And my main concerns are obviously the kickstarter and the oil pump. inch. Not too bad, I guess. Something made this starve for oil on the top end, I'm guessing. Or maybe that's just a burnt valve and it dropped off. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Guessing's for suckers. And yes, there are different sized ones on here, so we gotta be careful. We're gonna try to keep everything together this time. I might not even split this if it feels good. This one. Fuck, I need an impact. Battery operated Milwaukee's or something similar. Very ginger. It just came out of there. Ooh. We're not looking good here, boys. I think I might have got fucked. Looky, looky. Well, time will tell. He fucked me. There you go. Wow. I need to gather my thoughts now, boys. Oh, man. Very least, the case is okay. But that fucking gear. And who knows what else now, right? All right. Anyway, this will be the beginning of the reassembly. And obviously we're going to be hunting around for parts again. Okay, if you found this video useful, make sure you like it, share it, and hopefully you'll even subscribe. As you get to see me fucked again, right? Anyway. Okay, Scott just got Struggling Goof Garage. Like, share, subscribe.